How to use Lyft Cash to pay for rides. First of all, launch the application on your device. Then tap on your account icon or profile icon on the bottom right. From here, all you have to do is scroll downwards until you find this payment option. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, you will find Add Cash option. Now you have to load your Lyft Cash with your external cash or your card. You simply have to select an exact amount that you want to load, or you can also find this in-store option. Once you select your desired cash amount, tap on this payment method, tap on this add payment method. Once again, enter your card numbers and details. Once you've done so, tap save. Then proceed to add cash. Now, once you have loaded your Lyft application with the Lyft Cash, to use it, all you have to do is tap on this "Where are you going?" option to book your ride. Once you have selected your preferred destination, you can select your exact vehicle or mode of transportation. Now, once you select it, you will find this add payment option. Simply tap on this and tap this Lyft Cash option, tap done, and proceed to book your ride. And that is how you can use Lyft Cash to pay for your rides. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.